Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. Your girl truly does appreciate it. If you are new here, thank you guys so much for coming by. Go ahead and hit the little subscribe button while you are here and hit the post notification bell. That way you are aware of any time that I do post anything on here that's related to beauty, lifestyle, self-care, all that good stuff. Welcome to the familia. Let's keep growing. And like always, I do want to send my love, positive vibes, many blessings to everybody out there. I know times are tough right now for many people, so I do hope that you guys are staying as healthy and as safe as possible throughout these times. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Today we are going to be doing a little mini unboxing, first impression / review on Fenty Skin. Of course, I'm sure if you are here, you already know who Fenty Skin is made by, and of course it's our girl Rihanna, aka Riri. She is absolutely amazing. She's an artist. She just does it all. I had to get my hands on this because I just thought it would be really nice to try. This is what the products actually do look like. They came in together today. Before I actually get to trying everything on, I did want to hit a couple of points that she did emphasize, and some price points as well as ingredients. So let me just go ahead and tell you guys that she really did want to emphasize that she was trying to use different ingredients from different countries, which I thought was super dope. One of the main things that she does use is called the Barbados cherry, which is used for brightening and vitamin C on the skin. Next, she uses quince, which basically helps condition the skin. Next, she uses fig, which is basically packed with antioxidants. She also used Kalahari melon, which hydrates the skin. And of course, the two main ones that a lot of people who want skincare really want to see, your hyaluronic acid, which keeps your skin hydrated and maintains the hydration there in your skin, as well as the niacinamide, which fights dark spots. Now, one of the things that I know a lot of people were kind of iffy and skeptical about was the fact that these products do have a little bit of fragrance. She has stressed that the fragrances that she did put in there are very light. It's more like a warm and clean kind of scent, and it's no more than 1% in there. She wanted people to be able to enjoy the experience and not to just have some unscented products. One of the coolest things is that products are coral reef friendly. She's basically trying to, you know, just be a better person for this earth. She's using no harmful ingredients. She's trying to make sure that the packaging is recyclable, use less packaging. And one of the items I will show you guys, I guess it's just one of those things that she wants you to buy the product one time, and then you can literally buy recyclables, which is really nice. So yeah, I don't know, I'm excited for this. We'll go ahead and get right into it. This is the cleanser. This one is called the Remove It All Cleanser. This one retails at $25. Next, here we have our refining toner serum. It's called Fat Water. I do think that's pretty clever. This is what the packaging on this one looks like, and this one does retail at $28. Next, I have not opened this one, but I will shortly. This one is your moisturizer with SPF 30, and this one does retail at $35, or you can bundle it all up for $75. So let's go ahead and jump right into this, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know that I did put on a little bit, this is the morning time right now, so I don't have any makeup on, but I did go ahead and put a little bit of foundation on my skin because I did want to see how well this cleanser actually works. So I have like a little bowl of water. I'm going to wet my face a little bit first. Okay, so for this cleanser, it says you can use day or night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. It says to wet the skin first and make sure you're lathering it and then rinse it. So I'm going to go ahead and lather it here on camera. I will rinse it off camera and let you guys know what I think. So the way that you open this up, it's not a cap. I actually went to take the cap off. It's literally just like a little click. You go in, out, and that's it. It has a little hole here. So that means that you can actually put the, oh my gosh, the cleanser right here. Let me go ahead and put some in my hand for you guys. So, wrong way. Ooh. Oh my, you know what? That fragrance smells really nice, actually. So this is what the cleanser looks like. I hope you guys can kind of see. It's kind of like a light pink. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my face a little bit. This is so weird doing this in here. I'm used to doing it in my bathroom, but I wanted to actually be able to see myself with the good natural light. All right, so now that my face is nice and moist, let me go ahead and lather it up. So, okay, so it's a little tacky, a little sticky, but let's go ahead and see what it does. Oh my gosh. I could definitely smell the fragrance, and it's exactly as she describes it. It almost smells like a Christmas kind of smell, almost like a vanilla, like a warm French vanilla. It doesn't bother me at all, honestly. I thought that I'm not really the type of person that likes any kind of fragrance but on my skincare, but this is actually not too bad. Just make sure you get this neck too. All right, so far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off my skin. Before I do that, let me add a little bit more just because I want to make sure I really get the experience. All right, so this is what my skin is looking like. Like I said, I do smell the fragrance, but it's nothing crazy. It's very, very light and it smells very nice. I will be right back. I'm gonna go wash my face and I will be right back. All right, so wash my face, and honestly, I really, really like it. First impression wise, I'm really digging this cleanser. I thought it was gonna be something too much for me, but I absolutely love it. My face does feel very clean. It did take off all my makeup. Like, I didn't have a lot of it on, but obviously you can see that my skin actually is really, really showing. Yeah, so far so good with that one. We're gonna move on to this one right here. This is, like I said, our Pore Refining Toning Serum. This one says to use day and night on clean skin, apply all over face with your fingers. I know a lot of people use the little pads, but I guess one of the things that she wants you to be able to do is to just use these products with your hand. You don't have to kind of have any extra stuff. I don't know about the packaging on this one. Let's see how long it takes me to figure this out. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this one right here. This one smells a little bit stronger than the other one, I guess. All right, guys, so hopefully you're watching this video so you realize not to do it like me. I try to open it up all like this, and I was wondering, I'm like, how are you gonna put this in your hands? But it turns out that after you pop it, it's kind of like the other one. There's a little hole right there that everything comes out of. So now that it's actually open, let me go ahead and put this on my hands. Oops. Okay, and let me see if I can put it on the back of my hand so you can kind of see. It is just like a regular serum color, but it does have like a little blush tone to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it and just start putting it on my skin. You know what? This one reminds me, I don't know why. It smells a little bit different than the cleanser. The cleanser, I know it says that it's like a warm tone. I mean, a warm scent. This one smells to me like, not that I'm complaining, but like a margarita, like a strawberry margarita. Okay, so the consistency is, it's actually a little bit thicker than I expected. I thought it was, since it was so runny in the beginning, I thought it was gonna feel a little bit lighter, but it's actually a little bit tackier than I expected, but it's nice and soothing as well. The fragrance is not anything that is, that would make me not want to try it out. It doesn't bother me that much at all. And like I said before, I actually do like and prefer unscented products on my skin, but this one does not bother me. It's just a different smell. I'm actually gonna use this piece of paper to just help it dry. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes now, and I was just kind of waiting for it to dry up completely because I did realize that it took a little time because it's actually still like a tiny bit sticky in certain areas. But if you fan it out or maybe just wait a couple of minutes, it actually starts to get a little bit better. My skin does feel very nice, very clean. I actually just realized that it does say that it instantly refines the look of pores. That's why I pulled out my mirror and I was kind of looking. I don't really have very big pores, but I don't know, my face does, it feels good and it smells amazing, and I don't know. So far, so good. Let's move on to the third and the final step. This is our Hydro Visor. I just wanted to show you guys the box, but let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so one of the things that catches my eye on the box, it says, love your skin, respect the planet. Refill me, sold separately. So this is the moisturizer that I was telling you guys about, and one of the things that she does have on her website is the reusable the reusable product. Basically, this is what the packaging looks like. This is what she wants you to buy once. This is where the good stuff is at, our moisturizer SPF. I guess you just put this on right here. And what's nice about it is after you are done using the moisturizer, you can actually buy that on the refill on the website, and that one does retail at $30. Okay, so all you gotta do is basically put it in like this, and then once it's in here, you twist the little cap, and that is it. Wow, this is really very nifty, and that's it. So yeah, now what I would have to do to use it is go ahead and pull it out like that. There it is. Okay, and the color of it is a little bit light lavender, almost like a light, it's just baby colors, baby pink, baby lavender. I smell this one again. This smells good to me. I don't know, I know the fragrance thing, but this smells mad nice. So let me go ahead and see what it says to this one. It helps prevent sunburn, which is nice. It says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use a warm resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. And it says to reapply at least every 2 hours. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so It's so weird. Like, none of the 3 ones smell alike. I feel like they all smell different in their own way. This reminds me of a nostalgic smell when I was younger, obviously. Let's go ahead and let that sit in for a minute as well. Alright, I let that sink in my skin for a little while. I wanted to give it, fair time. Guys, I don't know. I've been hearing a lot of mixed reviews, but so far as my first impression goes, I'm really feeling the skincare line. Honestly, it doesn't feel like anything's stripping my skin. I know that for the cleanser, she claims that it's going to help soft skin without stripping or drying, which is exactly how it felt. It removed my makeup, which is one thing she claimed, and definitely worked. For the serum, it says that it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping the skin. Obviously, that's something that I'm going to have to continue using to see if that one actually is legit. But as far as the stripping, it definitely feels that way. And the look of the pores, I feel the same way. So I'm digging this one as well. And this one, other than trying to figure out how to put it, I just love the packaging. Look at that. It's like a matte lavender. It's just so pretty. And this one, it feels nice and it smells amazing. It's not tacky. I do think that you have to leave the products, like, don't just, put everything on right away. Give it some time in between, or maybe use one of the fans to kind of let everything really soak in. But overall, my first impressions are actually very good. I think she kills it with this one. I was a little skeptical about certain things, but I don't know. I'm really loving it. Like I said, I will be continuing to use this for weeks because I want to give it an ample amount of time to actually really share with you my final thoughts. But my final thoughts as far as right now, I actually really do like it. Make sure you check in the description box. I will post and pin something up there and let you guys know some updates if I've had any reactions, if anything has changed in the way I feel as of right now. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Let me know what you guys think about the products, and if you're going to be picking it up for yourselves. I know that she might have to continue the skincare because a lot of people are loving it. So let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for all your continuous love and support. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I do post a lot of little things on there that you guys probably want to check out. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Muchísimas gracias. Ciao.